Hi, welcome to an NX 10 video tutorial. As you were very interested in the coupling with draft, which I did in catia v5, I thought it might be a good idea to do it in the other programs as well. So next I will do it in Siemens NX. Let's have fun with Siemens NX. I want to try to do it similar to the catia v5 exercise. So let's start with some planes. At distance, that's okay. First should be 205 millimeter. Apply. Then there should be 1 millimeter above and one with 1 millimeter below. Okay. And I need 3 above, so let's select that plane, and the distance should be 60. Apply. And next one should be 1 millimeter above and 1 millimeter below, and cancel this out. So let's do our first sketch on that plane, and this should look something like, should start right here, the first maybe like this. Then this line should be coincident to that plane, and that point should be coincident to this plane. Then I need 2 dimensions, one right up here. This should be 42.4, and this should be 46.4. By the way, I used the same image as I did before in the catia v5 exercise. And I could probably show it to you. There you go. That's the picture which I used for modeling this coupling. Okay, so let's switch back to our model. Now these should be just for construction right now. No. Okay. Then I need some curves which look like this, for example. Okay, this should be horizontal aligned, and 2 construction lines, one here and one over there. Okay, this is for construction, that is for construction. And this should be vertical aligned, and that point should be right there, midpoint, and it should be on that line as well. Okay, and that point should be midpoint, and it should be on the line as well. Okay, then some dimensions. This should be 30, and this might be, yeah, I know, because that should be deleted, is 16, and delete that constraint right here. And this line should be coincident to that axis, collinear, and the same here, that plane and that line should be collinear as well. It's fully constrained. Finish the sketch. Now you could make an extrude with that sketch, connected curves, that's okay. The direction would be XC, and it should be probably symmetric, and the dimension would be, let's say, 30 to both sides. And okay. Another sketch. I could hide that body, so switch to the bodies, just hide that body, and back to timestamp order, and another sketch on that plane. Okay, and that's just a simple form. Okay, there should be an angle to that axis, and that would be 4 degrees. And this could be symmetric, so go for more, make symmetric this line, that line to that axis. Okay, now this line should be collinear with that plane. Okay, and this line with that axis, collinear, and dimension should be 50. Close, fully constraints, finish the sketch. Now let's show our body and make another extrude and go for intersection. So go for extrude with that sketch, make it set C, and you want to intersect, and it should go through all in both directions, through all, and okay. Go back to timestamp order and hide that sketch. And I want to copy this sketch, so copy and just paste it, Control V, confirm, hide that sketch, and edit this one. So you could change this to construction, that line to construction, and this one, that one, and the last one too. Standard. Okay, finish the sketch, and let's hide this body for a moment. So if you go for connected curves and make an extrude, change the direction to XZ. Okay, make this symmetric, make it, let's say, 30 to both sides, and confirm. Now I could hide the sketch, add fillets, go to surface, make, no, it's not necessary, I can go to normal edge blend, and this would be 25. Apply, and that edge would be 18. Yes, 18. Okay. And now I need two offset surfaces from this one. So go to surface and offset surface. And this should have an offset from that one. Let's just check it. In that direction, apply, and another one in the other direction. In that direction, and apply, and cancel this out. This looks good, and I can hide. Go back to timestamp order and just hide that extrude right here. Yes. Now I would go for two more bodies, and I could hide these as well for the moment at least. Hide them. So next would be a sketch on this plane. Yeah, confirm. That would be a circle, diameter 50. 50. Enter. Finish the sketch. Make an extrude with that one. Make it symmetric. Make it 25 in both directions. And Boolean operation is none. And OK. Let's take a look. Yeah, the direction is wrong. It should be set direction. And okay, you could hide this sketch. Now another sketch on that plane. Sketch on this plane, yes, okay. And that would be another circle, diameter would be 30. Yes, that point should be coincident on that plane, and Center point should be coincident on that axis. Yes, finish the sketch. Make another extrude, same direction as before, make it symmetric, and the dimension would be 15 in both directions, and okay. And you could hide this sketch as well. So now I got 3 bodies. Let's take a look. And the sheet body. 3 sheet bodies and 3 solid bodies. These are the 3 solid bodies. Now first I want to do these 2. And I could make the holes as well, so let's go for a hole. And the point should be the center point, yes. And the diameter would be 30 to the wall, yes. Apply, and another one right here. Oh no, that's wrong, sorry. I have to do the holes after the union. So let's cancel this out. But I could do the drafts on these 2. Therefore I need my planes, so I switch back to timestamp order and just one, 2, 3, 2 and 3. I need planes 2 and 3, yes. So I have to, or I want to split those surfaces. Go to more and divide face, and I want to divide that face. Go for single face, and that would be, the tool would be plane 2. Apply. Check this out, yes. And now divide that surface and select plane 3 and apply. Same over here, that's the face. The tool would be the upper plane. Apply, that's the face, and the tool would be the lower plane. And okay. Now let's do the drafts on these 2. Draft from edge. The vector should be this one, and the edge would be this, 4 degrees. Apply. Same vector but the other way around, and the second edge would be this one. Apply. Next, that axis, this edge, apply, turn it around, use that edge, and okay, very nice. Let's hide these 2 bodies and show that body and the 2 sheet bodies. So I have to split this face and the other face on the other side. So go to divide face, and I want to divide this face and that face, and the tool would be the upper plane, that one. Apply, then select this face, that face, and use as tool the other surface, and OK. Now let's do the edge blends right here. That would be 10, and that would be 10 as well. Apply. This one is 40. Apply, and that one would be 26. Enter, and OK. Now let's do the drafts. Draft vector would be this one, and edge would be the upper one. 4 degrees, yes, apply. That direction, the other way around, that's the edge. Apply. Same over here. That's the direction, that's the edge. Apply that direction, turn it around, and that's the edge, and OK. Very nice. Now I want to add some fillets right here and there. So let's see if I can do an edge blend, but I suppose not. So if I want to select this edge, oh yeah, 26 does work. Let's try 1 or 0.5, sorry. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah, apply. Same to that edge. Apply, nice. This edge, apply that edge. OK. Very nice. Now another edge blend, which should go from 10 to 4. So let's do it with 10. Select that edge. And add some more points. One point would be the endpoint right here, so go for endpoint. Okay, that would be 10 as well, yes. Next point would be the endpoint of that edge, and this should be 4. And that endpoint should be 4 as well, yes. Apply. Same on the other side. Select the edge. One point right here, the upper endpoint, okay, which would be 10, yes. Add another point over here, endpoint as well. Okay, that would be 4, and this endpoint would be 4 as well. Apply. Now these edges, and that should go from 5 to 8 or from 8 to 5, so let's start with 8 on that edge. Add a point, the end point of that edge. Okay, that would be 8 as well. Next point right here on that edge, which should be 5. No, not there, over there. 5, and just to make sure that endpoint on that edge should be 5 as well. Apply. The last one which starts right here. Add another point here, same radius, and another point, that end point, which should be 5 radius, and sorry, that point right here, no, yeah, that point, not an invert point, but I need an end point from that one, okay, and that would be 5 as well, and confirm. So this is okay. Now let's show the other bodies. Go to timestamp order and show the other bodies, and you could add some edge blends on these as well. So that might be 0.5. Let's try if it works. We will see. Apply, yes. On that edge as well, apply. On this edge. And that edge. Okay. Now let's make a union with these bodies. So go for unite. That would be the target, and one tool, second tool, okay. Now I can add a fillet right here and there. So go to edge blend, make it 6 on this side, apply, and 4 over there. Okay. Now let's add the holes. Yeah, add the holes first. So there would be one hole on that point, and this should be a diameter of 30. Yes, that's okay. Apply, and one over here, and diameter would be 18. Okay. Now I could add those fillets and the drafts. So yeah, I do the fillets first. That would be 4 over here and down below. Apply, and radius 6 on this edge and that edge. Okay. Now for these drafts I need to split this surface and that surface as well. So let's go to more, divide face, yeah, and I want to divide this face, and I go back to my timestamp order. That's not possible right now, so cancel the command and go back, and I need those two planes. Let's make them visible, and the other ones as well. So go for divide face. That's the face, and the tool would be, the first plane would be this one. Apply, then check that face, and this tool would be the second plane, plane 3. Apply, same procedure over here. Select this face, tool would be the uppermost plane, apply, and then select that face and use this tool, this plane. Okay, now let's do the drafts. 4-degree draft as before. Direction would be this one, yeah, and the edge would be this. Apply, turn this vector around, select this edge, apply, just take a look. Yes, looks good. Now go for direction is okay for that edge right here. Apply and turn the vector around and select this edge. No, that would be the vector, the other way around, and that would be the edge. And okay, let's take a look. Looks pretty good, I would say. And I'm done. So hope you enjoyed this one. If you want to see more, give it a like down below, leave a comment. Thanks for watching, see you to the next one, bye bye.